guys, I have a duck here. See, his number is 8 and he have glasses. Look at here. Look at that. That's his sound. So listen guys, this is so cute. Okay, just gonna put a video with this home. And this is his home guys, so you can see. Oh, so cool guys. Look at this. Oh, so cute. Cute, right? Cute. Well, look at see the ducky. Look. And the other day my fall here. And now it's growing. And look at my new toy. That is for my dad. See that guys that I